How to crossplay Path of Exile 2. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to enable crossplay and cross progression in Path of Exile 2, so you can play with friends on PC, PlayStation 5, or Xbox Series X, no matter which platform they use. Part 1. How to enable crossplay. Let's start with crossplay, which allows you to play together with friends across different platforms. On PC, crossplay is enabled by default. You cannot disable it, so you're always matched with all platforms. On console, PS5 or Xbox Series X and S, you can choose to enable or disable crossplay. Steps: 1. Open the settings menu. 2. Go to the gameplay tab. 3. Find the option disable crossplay. 4. Uncheck it to enable crossplay or check it to disable. Enable crossplay means more players to match with and quicker queues, especially in public zones or trade. Part 2. How to use cross progression. Now let's move on to cross progression, so you can carry your progress from PC to console or vice versa. Steps: 1. Go to the official Path of Exile website. 2. Log into your account. 3. Head to the account settings. 4. Click on Link the accounts. 5. Link your Xbox or PlayStation account. After linking, your characters, stats, and progress are synced across all platforms you play on. Just log in and continue. Note: keep in mind that microtransactions stay on the platform where you bought them. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to use crossplay and cross progression in Path of Exile 2. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.